Hi everybody, this is an impromptu reading. I didn't plan this reading at all. I really didn't plan. I was actually working on something and I said, you know what, I just need to keep that work aside for some time and I just wanted to get my deck out. So I just got my deck and I said I want to just check for some messages, and more specifically I also wanted to check for messages related to work. So aspects about ourselves that holds us back, any new things that comes our way. So I just wanted to check for the messages. So for anybody that this message will reach, might reach, and if it does hit the nail for you, if it does sound that I think there is something in this message for me, do let me know, because this is a very sporadic reading. So I'll just check for the messages. Let me see what comes my way so that I share that with you as well. I'll be very happy to share that. Yes. The Wheel of Fortune. Well, that is the last card, but the first card, let me tell you, this is the Seven of Cups. The Seven of Cups is the card which has a lot of potential. Okay, you know why I say a lot of potential? Because it shows that maybe there are certain doubts, certain illusions that are also holding us back from achieving our true potential. So many a times we can also feel that if our work is not progressing the way it is, we kind of have this negative self-talk with our own selves. It could be patterns like, perhaps I'm not good enough, like perhaps I need to try some other ways, there are some ways which are not really working out for me. So this is a period, I feel, of introspection, of contemplation. And I also feel that apart from the work that you're doing, you're also looking at certain other avenues as well. So I'm feeling that there is a broadening of choices as well. But in broadening these choices, what I also notice is that somewhere there is this kind of conflict which is happening. So there are doubts about it, but I also see opportunities. I also see opportunities for you. And I also want to tell you, because when I have the Seven of Swords, be committed to what you're doing. So for example, you want to start on something, do it, because when you have the Two of Wands, the Two of Wands is a card which is of astute planning. So whatever you've taken, whatever you plan doing, be very strategic about it. So strategic in terms of your planning, in terms of your vision. You have a broad vision. You have a vision which is going global in that way, which is crossing boundaries, breaking boundaries. You want to reach there. It could be anything to do even with social media, because this is one very good card for social media as well. So somewhere I feel that you also want to expand your own self, you also want to test your own potential. So I would say, don't be within these illusions, doubts that are stopping you. Don't have that thing about yourself that, no, like I'm still not reaching there. You are reaching there. You're reaching there with a very good plan, with a very good vision. You already have everything. So you're somebody who's very passionate, somebody who's very energetic. I get a very strong card from you. But be very honest and be very committed in what you're doing. Okay, so that is one thing. Because the last card why I smiled was the Wheel of Fortune. So when you start implementing is when you start getting the Wheel of Fortune. So then you will see that the cycle starts changing as well. So from the Seven of Cups to the Two of Wands, implementing the Seven of Swords, but being very honest and committed to your work. So don't slack away from it. Okay, be very strategic about it, be very thoughtful, like, yes, like I am going to do it. Perhaps it may take a little bit longer, but be very strategic, plan well. Because with the Wheel of Fortune coming with the last card, I'm very certain that the times are changing, the cycle will change, and where you were in the Seven of Cups energy, you will be with the Wheel of Fortune coming through. So this was my impromptu reading. So So do let me know, and I wish you best wishes for the day. Blah blah blah. Bye.